Here's why you should avoid fake hormones to balance your hormones. Now, did you know that most of the hormones that you're using, so whether that's estrogen, testosterone gels, progesterone, these could be pills, creams, the patches as well, these hormones are synthetically made. And even the bioidentical plant-based methods of using these hormones, again, these are not the same as your own natural endogenous hormones, of course, that your body makes. Now, one of the drawbacks of using these fake hormones is that there are always feedback loops back to the brain, and this can then cause downstream problems and often is just masking the original problem by eliminating the symptoms. So whether that is maybe the hot flashes, libido issues, by using your hormones, the symptoms may start to improve, which you may have experienced, but you're not necessarily addressing that root cause as to why the hormones are out of balance in the first place. Like some of the things that we don't talk about: lack of enough natural sunlight exposure, being under artificial lights, having a lot of blue light toxicity from your devices and EMF exposure to your body, which will offset your hormones. The inflammatory process, leptin issues, so leptin resistance. You maybe have heard me talk about insulin resistance and how leptin and insulin are related. Nutrient deficiencies as well can also make your hormones get out of whack. Magnesium is a big one here, and we know that most of us have a magnesium deficiency because we simply don't get enough magnesium in our diet any longer. The good news though is that there are a lot of natural ways that you can balance your hormones. I have a ton of different videos on these different topics: leptin, insulin, but also menopause. So please check out this video, Menopause 5 Tips They Never Told You. I'll see you there.